Hello people, it's another episode on Tech with Nina. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a Twitter account or an X account. X, formerly known as Twitter, is a social media platform owned by Elon Musk. If you need a Twitter account for yourself or your business, then you just have to follow these simple steps that I am going to teach you. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. To create a Twitter or X account, you first have to log into www.twitter.com, and from the home page you can realize you can sign up with Google or with Apple, but for the purpose of this lesson we are going to create a new account from scratch. Click on create account and you will be led to a page where you would have to fill out your details, your name, your phone number or email, and also your date of birth. After filling these details out, all you have to do is click next. After clicking next, there will be a pop-up for you to tick. This will allow Twitter or X to track your content across the web. Now you click sign up for your account to be created. After it's created, you will be asked to authenticate, and you follow all the steps till it gets approved. Then you submit. This process might be a little confusing, but once you exercise patience and go through it smoothly, everything will be alright. The main purpose of this verification is to prove that you are human, and once you've done everything successfully, you will be approved. Now you'll be asked to input your verification code. You can get this code from your email or phone number, depending on which one you used. After this, you will be asked to set up a password for your account. Set up a good password for your account and click next. From there, your profile is done. You can upload a profile picture, check out your name, how it appears on Twitter, select what you want to see on Twitter, among others. Now you'll be asked to follow some people on Twitter, of which I followed Elon Musk, the owner of the platform. Your Twitter account is now set, and you can do whatever you want with it. Thank you for being with us, and subscribe to our channel for more. Enjoy your stay.